What is up again, viewers? Tonight, I am really tired. But I just wanted to make this video since I haven't made a video in a long time. Guess what? My brother bought a new bird. I will not... Wait a second. I'll be right back, everyone. Okay, I am back again. But as I was saying, I will not be showing this to you until another video because my brother is busy in his room right now doing something. But I will show it to you in another video. But I just wanted to tell you that. So, after school tomorrow, I will send you a video of it. He's beautiful. Beautiful. I think he's a parrot or something. You'll see.